I'm Varun Sridhar. I'm an army kid. I completed my undergrad in finance from SRCC, Delhi University in 2017. Following which, I was I was volunteering with a lot of different NGOs, and I was preparing for civil services. That part didn't materialize as I hoped it would. So I got selected for this esteemed program, the LSCF UMass Scholarship, in which it was essentially a dual degree program for a Master's in Public Policy from J.K. Lakshmipat University and the University of Massachusetts. I had completed the first leg of this program. That is when the pandemic struck, and my plans to move to US were deferred for at least a year. During this time, I was looking for various opportunities that would allow me to gainfully utilize this extra time that I had, and thankfully the CMGGA program was like a godsend, and it allows me to like really understand how policy actually plays out in this country, which is invaluable for a policy student. The CMGGA application was quite rigorous. It involved a lot of writing samples. There were group discussions, multiple rounds of interviews with government officials and the CMGGA team. Yeah, I mean, my last year at JKLU certainly did play a big role. I think we had a fantastic professor in my first semester, Professor Krishna Lada, who really gave a fantastic class on Indian policy and microeconomics, which certainly had a huge role to play in how I thought about these issues. So for the academic writing class, we all had to decide on a topic. So first of all, Professor Vishali tried to narrow down my research interest from the broader sphere of mobility and helped me narrow it down to electric vehicle policy. She got me in touch with the different stakeholders. For example, the Tamil Nadu policy think tank, which wrote the electric vehicle policy. I was in constant interaction with them throughout the process, and my paper was basically a comparative analysis about the various electric vehicle policies that have come out in India to sort of come out with recommendations for Tamil Nadu, and it was really helpful to be able to interact with the people who wrote the policy. And I had a fantastic course under Professor Jane Fountain. So I had a remote class under the University of Massachusetts, and I mean it gave me insights into how the US policy plays out. So that sort of expanded my worldview and deepened my understanding of the policy stuff. The whole pedagogy was it involved discussions. Basically, you were expected to be well prepared with the material, and you were expected to show up and contribute to the discussions, and you would often have to lead the discussion, and that would involve a lot more work. And so we would discuss various world issues, like including coronavirus, which happened to be one of the things that was asked in the CMGGA interview process. And it just really helps to sort of discuss these issues with people who know what they're doing, because for people who have experience in the field, their approach to policy is so nuanced. And I have excellent peers in the UMass batch who have a lot of so they're all into data analytics, and they have this technical acumen and quantitative perspective, which I think really helped out during the process. And even the administrative team of LSCF, they sort of from things like giving tips on how to spruce up your CV to bringing to my attention various internship opportunities. I think even the CMGGA program was actually forwarded by Kanika from the LSCF team. When the pandemic was really starting to escalate, I think it was dawning on us that things may not go according to plan. It was a very difficult time for everyone involved, because you had certain expectations about how your short-term future was going to look like, and suddenly everything was in flux, and you didn't really know if it was feasible. So your education loans were being cancelled. The US embassy was not open, so the visa process was stalled, and it was quite a chaotic and turbulent time for everyone. But the UMass team was so supportive and accommodative and helpful. Their whole approach was to do what is best for the students, and it really showed. And I mean, I'm getting like the director of the School of Public Policy, Professor Alasdair Roberts, is taking a personal interest in my career development. He takes out time weekly from his impossibly busy schedule to guide me through a paper that we're working on together. And even the administration there, they're so responsive, they're so helpful. They clarify all your doubts. It's just the whole association with UMass has truly been wonderful.